Ever scrolled through TikTok, seen something amazing in a creator's video, only to find TikTok Shop isn't available where you are? You're not alone. Many of us face this frustrating geographical restriction. But don't worry, there are ways to navigate this and get your hands on those trending finds. First, let's understand why TikTok Shop might be unavailable primarily. It's due to regional availability rollout by TikTok itself. They implement the service country by country, so it might simply not have launched in your location yet. You might also encounter this if your TikTok account's designated country doesn't match the seller's shipping region, or sometimes it's a temporary glitch. The most common workaround is using a virtual private network, or VPN. Think of a VPN as a digital tunnel that masks your real location and can make it appear as if you're browsing from a country where TikTok Shop is available. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. First, download a reputable VPN app from your device's app store. There are many options, both free and paid. Choose one that aligns with your needs. Once installed, open the VPN app and select a server location in a country where TikTok Shop is known to be operational, like the United States, the UK, or parts of Southeast Asia. After connecting to the VPN server, open your TikTok app. You might need to log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. Now, try navigating to the Shop tab or searching for products. You should now see the TikTok Shop interface and be able to browse available items. However, it's important to note that even with a VPN, there can still be limitations. Some sellers may restrict shipping to specific regions, and payment methods might also be a hurdle if VPN usage feels too complex, or if you're still encountering issues. Remember, there are always alternative shopping methods. Many popular TikTok products are also available on other global e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, or your country's specific online marketplaces. Simply take a screenshot of the product or note down its name and search for it on these alternative sites. You might find it surprisingly easily. By understanding the reasons for unavailability and leveraging tools like VPNs or exploring alternative platforms, you can still enjoy the thrill of discovering and purchasing those must-have items you see on TikTok, no matter where you are in the world.